is the Youth Teen Symposium. It's been hosted at Coleman College here in the Medical Center. This effort is in collaboration with Houston Parks and Recreation Department, also Fort Bend ISD, HISD, all of our departments here. So today we're looking for an engaging, exciting experience for hundreds and hundreds of students and community members. Well, definitely, students should expect a hands-on experience, being able to interact with professors, staff. If they want to enroll, they can enroll today. Also, they'll be able to get a full concierge experience. And in fact, we've been able to also provide them with a few different prizes to ensure that they understand that Houston Community College is about the community. It is about each and every student, and we have a pathway for each and every person, whether it's a student that's in middle school all the way up to whatever age they are as an adult.
So we are partner with Fort Bend ISD as well as Houston ISD. They're bringing their high school student, possibility middle school student as well, to come in and tour our health science facilities and program. At the same time, we have students currently enrolled in our program. They have a lab practice, as well as they are taking some of their lectures. Planning for this event has been going on for the past 3 months. It's a collaborative effort between the district office, especially under the leadership is Dr. Desmond Lewis, Associate Vice Chancellor, as well as our college president, Dr. Latricia Harrison, and the staff from the district, the staff from Coleman College, including the faculty as well. We are very excited, again, to have our community members, our stakeholders to be here so they can witness a true testament to what we're trying to do and what we're trying, the positive impact we're trying to have on our community. And the goal is always trying to develop and produce the next generation of healthcare workers.